You're on.
Okay, we're going to be installing the CPU heatsink fan, and the memory in this motherboard. This is an Asus motherboard. It's an Intel socket 1151. So the first thing you do is you open the lever on the ZIF socket, zero insertion force. Push down, pull out, swing it up, and then pop the plastic cover out. Now, to see where the CPU lines up, it only goes in one way. There is a notch right there. That has to match up with the notch in the socket. Oh, there it is. There's... There, it's in there. Now you close the cover. And latch. The CPU is installed.